What do you think of when you hear the word attract? How would it feel to be able to attract whatever you would like into your life? It's possible. Hello everyone, welcome to Vitamind. In this video, we will briefly explain what the law of attraction means and how you can use it to have what you want, and live a prosperous life. But first, like and share this video, and of course, please subscribe. Now on with the video. You can come to depend on the universal law of attraction, just as you have come to depend on the physical law of gravity. You may have heard the law of attraction referred to in different ways throughout your life, but it has no doubt shown up. Here are a few ways that you may have heard or experienced it. 1. What you sown you reap. 2. What you put out you get back. 3. Like attracts like. 4. Law of supply and demand. 5. What comes around goes around. 6. As a man thinks in his heart, so is he. Proverbs chapter 23 verse 7. 7. Emerson called it the law of compensation. Catherine Ponder, author of The Dynamic Law of Prosperity, defines the law of attraction like this: what you radiate outward in your thoughts, feelings, mental pictures and words, you attract into your life. Abraham Hicks defines the law of attraction like this: that which is like unto itself is drawn. Yes, like attracts like. What does this mean for you? It means that when you are focused upon what you want to create in your life, you will attract that. And when you are focused upon what you don't want to create in your life, you will attract that too. It means that you are indeed a magnet, and it means that you are a magnifying glass. What you focus on gets bigger, and comes to you quickly. You may have had the experience in your life where you have wanted something very badly, and out of that passion, out of that pure desire, you were able to create it. There was no stopping you. You believed that it was to be, and you did not doubt that it was to come into your life. You said yes to having that something come into your life. You may also have had the experience in your life where you have wanted something very much, and have not been able to create it. Think about money for a moment. You want very badly to create the flow of money into your life, but you don't. You say, I want more money, but I hate paying bills. I hate that others have it and I don't. Money is evil, or you just focus on the fact that you indeed can't create it. You take action, you ask, you pray, and it still does not show up. You focus on the fact that it's not here, you focus on the lack of money in your life. What do you think you will create? So, if like attracts like, and you focus on the negative aspects of anything, or focus on what you do not have, you will create more of what you do not have. If you focus on what is, you will create more of what is. If you focus, and sometimes we do very strongly, on what you don't want in your life, for example, I don't want cancer. I don't want poverty. I don't want this or that, you are saying no to it, and that as well will bring it into our lives. What we give our attention to comes into our life. It is the law of attraction. Whether you are saying yes or no to something does not matter, it is the focus that carries the vibration and causes it to attract unto us. Be careful what you say no to. The key would be to focus on feeling good and focus on what you do want. The key is to consciously be aware of your abundance mentality, and know that you attract what you radiate and vibrate into the world. Nothing is more important than feeling good. How you are feeling and where your attention is your point of attraction. Period. You must remember that the universe is abundant, completely. There is no lack, only our perception of it. You must remember that there is always enough, and what you ask for is given to you. You must remember that you are meant to prosper, be wealthy on all levels of life. There is nothing that you can conceive of that you cannot be, do, or have. Most of the time we walk around creating by default. Now it's time to create using the law of attraction. You can be, do, or have anything that you desire in this life. You must acknowledge yourself as the powerful creator that you are, and choose thoughts and feelings that make you feel good, and that are in alignment with what you really want in your life.